Young and paid with a maid, fuck it. It's that lifestyle difference, you see the difference, nigga. Everybody listen, I tell them listen, nigga. Now we off that Forex, we own it. I don't trap, I trade, baby, I'm on it.
Look, so let's really talk dividends. The big dogs move the mortars in. Look, Forex living, ooh, Forex moving. ETX stocks, baby, all inclusive. REITs, bitch, I'm really a mix. Niggas mad that I'm black and move stocks like bricks. On the same thing as Buffett, I found some monthlies that hit. Found some annual flips and some quarterly kicks. Moving cake like packs. Oh, okay, the grass is greener where you water it. So I watered it. Had to get my crypto miners busted, then I followed it. Got my eyes set on a pair, and then I targeted. Lock it in, profit margin set, then I talk my shit, and now I'm barging in. Forex on my face, better take that triple what the charges is. Latency of spreads, I kill a lot before the targets hit. If money's in the market, then it's working less, the dollar's been flexing. I remember trading Brexit, championship balling like I'm Wayne Gretzky. Stressless, diamonds should be so impressive, but under stress, I see some diamonds crumble under pressure. A lot of violence and crime, a lot of people in strife, a lot of roads so baby, a lot of roads go baby. I mean, they calling it crazy, I mean, I'm tired in there. They like the way that I'm wavy, and that's the life of the trade. If the powers of the life and let them know.
Let's go! Let's get it though. Where you guys from in the chat? Let me know. We're gonna vibe out one time for the one time. Happy Sunday. For sure, for sure. Yo, so Swiss franc, right? We getting right to it today. Should I have to mark it up? Just shit, I was really deleting some shit off here, adding some shit, just looking, you feel me? But check it out. So USD Swiss franc. Okay, so it's been trending down for the past week. So this week coming up, upcoming week, the market should continue in a downtrend. If it's in a downtrend, what is going to continue to do? Stay in that downtrend. We should be getting a little bit of pullback first. So as Sunday and Monday open up, we should be getting that pullback. Hey, or market could just keep plunging and keep dropping, you know, continuing the bearish trend. Right now, you're probably like, what chart are we on? The chart that we're looking at right now is the weekly. I mean, the weekly, I'm done because I just had some good grass. But the daily chart, and then I'm about to go over to the weekly chart. We're going to go ahead and check that out for you right there. So if you did follow that analysis last week, you probably fucking ate big. You probably big ate, you know what I mean? So I don't know, like, it's really up to you how you really want to move things and how you want to do it, how you want to get it. You said, do I trade pullback or only trends? Shit. I'm about to drop my US30 strategy. You guys about to get hella rich, man. Then I'm about to go ahead and go back on my hiatus. Last time I went on a hiatus, I came back with the rose in a pit, you know what I'm saying? So this time, when I go on a hiatus, watch what I come back with. Let me remove the video game thing off the joint too. Y'all, you know, and I'll be streaming my video games and shit, so that part. But so let me go ahead and clean this off the screen. I just put that there so you can read it. All right, so that's the daily, boom. So we're looking at on the daily. Market still just painting red. Usually when you see 3 black crows, what does that signify? Really, that's a bearish trend. But I mean, you don't want to go do the research, but it's right there. That's usually on the cheat sheets, huh? I mean, that's just what it is. So we're gonna go to the weekly. You're gonna see that great bearish engulfing. So yeah, could market pull back? It's a possibility. As we look left, do we have some touches that could possibly give us some, or some ranges that could possibly give us some action? Like, yeah, showing us that in this range we could possibly pull back. So, I mean, when week opens up, we should get that boom pullback. So possible pullback, like, you know, just like a wave when it resets. We talk about this all of the time. You feel me? I know I'm talking fast now, really, because I'm trying to get through it. You know what I'm saying? But on that US30, I did slow it all the way down, you know what I'm saying? So you guys will be able to go ahead and understand it. But right now, all this is just showing us is this is just bearish. And I mean, it's looking like we're at a point right now where either A, gonna pull back a little bit, which we should, and then that's just going to be deciding if we should continue, because that is a bearish engulfing, you know what I mean? So that's a big ass candlestick. That's on the weekly. That's what you're looking at right here. Like, what's this right here, bro? This candlestick right here. All right, so that shit is on its way. It's a big ass candlestick and it's really about to get cracking. You feel me? To the downside. So you really got to read it for what it is. That's the weekly. So it's just like reading the weather, you know what I'm saying? Just like reading the weather report, knowing what's about to get cracking for the week, you know what I'm saying? So do you really trade with the trend and get rich? Like do you really, you know what I'm saying? Then I know if you want to add in your, is it any divergence or whatever, you know, some shit right there, boom, there you go. Market just banking against the top, finally broke out. If you want to add some support underneath to make yourself more comfortable, you know what I'm saying, boom. But I mean, really, like I said, throwing all the extras on there is just the extras. You need to be able to just look at this shit and read it and get it cracking, and that's just what it is. So boom, that's USD Swiss franc. We can go to a smaller time frame. All right, go to the 4 hour. You'll see it's just peaking off the top of there. Boom, you got that divergence, that first piece right there, and then bang. You're like, where's the first piece? Okay, let me show you, because you niggas.
How does he just see it? How does he just see it? You know? How does he just look at it, you know? How?
Nobody ever asks why. You know what I'm saying? So boom, get it cracking. 4 hours still dropping. Like I said, we should be seeing some pullback because that's just how the waves work. You know what I mean? So boom, next, gold. All right, so this is gold on the weekly. All right, so you're probably like, oh man, gold has been going up. You probably didn't expect gold to go up $100 last week. And if anybody's like, yeah, I already knew it, I knew it. Like, all right, bro, you trade what you see. You trade what you see. You know what I mean? You just trade what you see. That's it. So, hey, make sure you guys invite people over here too. We need to go ahead and keep them numbers high. And you need to be running my streams up too. You need to be running my streams up too. You're gonna make yourself, this is how you do it. Let me give you the run up the stream playlist. You put my music in a playlist on either on YouTube or on Spotify. You know what I'm saying? When you go to sleep, you just run that motherfucker. We're gonna run them up. So every day I wake up, we should be like, oh man, we had 12,000. Oh, we had 20,000. Oh, we had 30,000. Every day we should be celebrating because we all going crazy running the streams up. That's how we're gonna do it. We about to get this shit back on the road. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all just need a little bit of motivation. Let's get it. So gold, the weekly is letting us know, shit, with that bullish candlestick, that we could possibly keep trucking forward. You know what I'm saying? Like, the only thing that's stopping gold in a sense is like, yeah, we are getting close to some highs that were back in fucking 2011. You know what I'm saying? So let me go ahead and mark it right here in case you're like,
what are you talking about, Ty? What are you talking about, Ty? What are you talking about?
2011 highs right here. I'll even place it over there. I know my face is there.
Oh, move your face out the way, Ty. I can't see the chart, Ty. What
you know, what do they be asking me on here? They be like, what up? They be asking me what chart am I? What chart are you on? What chart are you on? Literally, it's a fucking watermark chart right there with the 1M. That's not 1 minute, that's 1 month. So I'm on the 1 month chart right now. All right. So these are 2011 highs I'm talking about. So that's where market is currently at. Is we've touched that area right now. We can keep moving forward. People are feeling like gold is gonna be that thing, that boom. We already know that's what it is. It's a great commodity long term. So if you're not up on gold futures, man, like, shit, we've been speaking about all the other joints. I mean, look, you really just gotta go understand, man. It's time to diversify. You know what I'm saying? Time to stop gambling. Get your gambling addiction out. You know what I'm saying? Get it out. Okay, it's done. Now it's time to make you some bread, baby. All right, let's get it though. So let's keep it moving. Let's keep it moving. As you can see, you're like, man, you're trading that price action. Yeah, we see that swing to 2011 highs over there. But if we just scrunch the market up and just really look at it, you know what I'm saying? Really give it a look-see here. Really a look-see here. You see, you know, price just keeps pushing forward. You're like, well, what are those three things right there, man? What do those three things really signify? Now, if you know what those three things are right there, go ahead and comment those in the chat. Okay, comment those in the chat. You already know what they are. They're fucking three what? In a sense, that would be white soldiers. You know what I'm saying? So 3 white soldiers. What are 3 white soldiers? Let me know what they are in the comment. Doesn't that signal that price is supposed to be bullish or something? So it told you a whole month ago that price is supposed to be bullish, and then the month that it told you that it was supposed to be bullish, the shit shot up $100. Whoa, that's crazy, man. That's crazy, man. So sometimes really all you gotta do is just shit, pay attention, you know what I mean, and let's get it. All right, so that's gold. So we did gold. You're like, where you feel like gold is going? Gold is not about feeling. It's like looking. Like, you see, that's a big ass bullish candlestick. I know, but here's our weekly right here. So could we get some pullback just because people are trying to sell off at the high prices? Look, yeah, that's a possibility. I mean, just because you know how the waves go. When one wave crashes, you got to let it pull back before you can get the other one. So if you missed out, for the people who are just turning 18, the market is going to provide an opportunity for you guys as well. Oh man, I couldn't trade yesterday, but today I couldn't wait to get in the market. I just got proof. Can't wait to swipe my debit. Head ass. You know what I'm saying? So shit, after you guys just got approved, man, you guys should be able to wait for the pullback and just keep moving. But gold looks like it's going to continue on the rise. You asked me where it's going. Look, nobody knows where it's going to go. Like nobody knew the NASDAQ is just going to keep on trucking. We just looking at it perform over the years and just enjoying the bullish movement. So currently, what is the market in? It's in the bull run right now. It's in a bull trend right now. It's a hawkish trend right now, whatever word you want to put on it. You know what I mean? And that's what it is. So do I expect gold to continue going up? I know we could see a little bit of resistance just because, yeah, we are looking at some 2011 highs, and you're gonna have some banks over there trying to offload some, you know what I'm saying, trying to offload some shit just to get their cash up, just because, you know, gold did hit that high. So usually when price gets that high, they are, let me sell a little bit, let me sell it off a little bit. Yeah, you know what I'm saying, get a little bit of profit, go ahead and stuff it in my pocket. You know what I'm saying, go ahead and put the profit in my pocket. Ooh, profit in my pocket, head ass. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it though. All right, so that's gold. So we did Swiss franc, we did gold. Now we about to go over to Great British Pound. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the big shit too. Don't trip, you know what I'm saying? I just wanted to mix it up. You know, a lot of people are so used to me doing you know, certain pairs certain ways, but today I'm like, nah, I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up and do it my way. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and full screen this as well. You dig? All right, so this is GU. All right. This was some old little ascending triangle, old little breakout, you know what I'm saying? Old little flaggish breakout. If you don't know what a bull flag is, go ahead and delete that. You know what I'm saying? That was on the 4 hour. Go ahead and look that at. You gotta look at it on the daily. All right, gotta look at it on the daily. All right, so let me go ahead and make this full screen for y'all. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? All right, so looking left, yeah, possibly see a little bit of resistance, although, and that's just because of where that point is. Like price is literally at that point. It's already kind of smacked there. But really the high of that is like 128, 131. Right now it's at 127, 939. So that's like 20 pips away. You know what I'm saying? Saying it could just tap that and then retest. So what's that look like? Just tap it and retest it and bang. You know what I'm saying? You got to know how to market. Really, you're playing the market. You know what I'm saying? You're just playing the market of how it is, because it's right there. But then when we go a little bit closer, go ahead and zoom in. And I'm really, look, this, when you watch me on Sunday, you really should have been watching me all week, because then you'll be able to really get it popping. Like, oh man, this is what's really going on. Like, this shit's simple. You know what I'm saying? Really trade with the trend and get rich. You should have been trading with the trend. If it's about to, I'm gonna show you something on the weekly. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know where you like to enter the market, but you know, I like to enter the market a little bit early. Or wherever it allows me to get in, and you know, I'm about to play Fortnite and really not watch it, because it's just gonna grow. What's dope is, like, what if you got in June 30th, right? And you just been letting your account grow since June 30th, you know what I mean? Or letting the trade grow just since June 30th, like, you know what I'm saying? Just boom, just gone. Like, you feel me? So do you really want to get rich? Like, y'all over here gambling, you know, some people scalp, you know, do your thing, man, do your thing, you know, when you're a little hefty, you know what I'm saying, you're gonna play a little bit different. You said I got your message, wanted to follow up. Yeah, hit me up, bro, hit me up. I remember bro did the dance first. I got you. You did do the Forex dance first. Hey, who did the Forex dance though? What's good? Let me see, who did the Forex dance? What's up? Who in the chat did the Forex dance? Let's get it. Now, we definitely need more likes though. Y'all need to go ahead, stop what you're doing, smash that like button, and let's get it cracking, you feel me? Let's keep the viewership going up. Appreciate all you guys for tuning in. Tune in live on YouTube. And then I gotta go ahead and type it, because you know some people don't be knowing the YouTube, and it's like that. You know what I'm saying? It's like that. I don't know why, but it's like that. It's like that. Where y'all from in the chat, man? Sound off, sound off, sound off, sound off. All right, so this is GU. All right, so boom, I'm gonna show you what I see right here. So you see these two candlestick wicks right here, right? We're gonna zoom in on them. All right, so do you know the story that those candlesticks are telling us? Do you know the story of those dojis? Like the dojis, yeah, they say one thing, but do you know the story of the doji? So, I mean, I don't know if you watched that boring ass video, you know what I mean? Remember that boring ass video? What's that boring video called? Oh, understand the Japanese candlesticks. And like, Ty, you know what I'm saying? Where'd you learn how to trade? And I told you I watched that shit 1 trillion times, then just got in the market and got cracking. You feel me? And then it's just like trial and error, really, you know, and then it's just getting it cracking. And then they're like, oh, what about all the tools and stuff like that? Like, I mean, you should know how to use the fib. You should know what a moving average is. If you get sold on the moving average, you really dumb, bro. Like, to be honest, like you just got fucked. You know what I'm saying? Like, and then after that, the broker smelled their finger. It's funny. So Let's get it. That's fire. So, as you see, all these candlesticks did were this, right? So initially, they pushed down. Where it is. Initially, like price pushed down, right? Boom. It went a little bit bearish. That's why it's like that, right? But then, shit, price shot back up, right? That shit was like, wait, where's my, there it is. I don't know why it's doing it in spaces like that. There it is what it is. It's, oh, because it's trying to do it on the lines. All right, but then price shoots back up, right? Boom, shoots back up, goes up a little bit, and then comes back down and just sits right here. Boom. And then the next day, it did the same thing, right? Motherfucker just dropped a little bit. Mind you, we're on the daily. I don't know, it's squiggly because I didn't go in a straight line, but just dropped a little bit, right? Retested this little area, shot back up, boom, and just sat there. Then the next day, shit, price retested that, and then just got cracking. And that's that candlestick. I know it's kind of ugly, but you know, but that's the story of that. So what's price gonna continue doing? Going up right now. Yeah, we might see some resistance, so you might see some boom, 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 little drop, probably a retest or something, and then continue going up, or market just gaps up and keeps going forward. You're like, well, what's your goal? What's your target? Well, really, you got to look long term, and it's not even long term because it's the daily, but 131. You know what I'm saying? So right now we're at 127.9 or 127.9. So really, you caught at 128. And you're just saying it's gonna go up $3 or 3 cents more. So right now the exchange rate is $1.31. Well, actually it's 127, and I feel like the exchange rate is gonna go up to $1.31. All right. So that's GU. So you're like, well, what about GJ? I feel like GJ has the same sentiment just because it follows. What about EU? I feel like EU has the same sentiment just because it follows. We'll get there though. Let's go to NASDAQ, smoking on that gas pack. Let's play that, matter of fact.
Hey, yo, Kizzy, what the fuck?
Man, shit, bro. Keep sending these tracks through.
Here we go, 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 here we go. NASDAQ, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack that. Fill up the tank, amass that. Bitch, run up the wealth, that's a big fact. NASDAQ, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack. Fill up the tank, amass. Bitch, run up the wealth, back. Bitch, niggas capping, acting like they rich. Okay, cool, swerving through the lane on 26. Hey yo, big business, buy some land, make a big flip.
Hey, sing that shit, type it out, what's up?
That's 100, that's some big shit. US 30-yard profits had a double flip. Hit pound versus the dollar on the back end.
Hey, tell him.
Babies on back end. I see it, learn, turn, code the facts in. Then we package up the Gouda, move the packs in. Okay, now slice the cheese up, out of land with it. With jar, then you sandwich it. Okay, get it out the mud with rubber bands and work the plan. Leave it up to ops and then fuck your other hand. Keep your eyes open and keep your eyes on your sand. Time always moving, so you better keep the fan. Always check the eyes and they posture and they stance. Creeping through the lane in the Rory, ain't no plane, ain't no sorry, ain't no shaking hands. You already had the chance to the parter. Slaying through the pockets, taking profits out with chargers. So who really own you to get your back in?
What's really good?
Niggas never been a boss, but talking pack shit.
Alright.
You don't even own your own master, that's a bad plan. Nigga, fuck you talking about? Get a mask, man. NASDAQ, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack that. Fill up the tank, amass that. Bitch, run up the wealth, that's a big fact. NASDAQ, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack. Fill up the tank, amass. Bitch, run up the wealth, back. I wake up, life is different and I see the views. Lambo hitting different colors, I can see the hues. Rory sitting all black, it's a different blue. And I that SVJ, that's the Asian foods. Yeah, I walk to my rows and open up the door. Start the engine, drop the top, and I'm on the road. Like the tip of the J while I'm on the go. Close a trade and move the point to the honor roll. Better trader out here busting like an act. 47 trains up and I'm a blast. Black Air Force Ones and Black Max. What's up? I'm in my all black energy, all facts. NASDAQ, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack that. Ay, fill up the tank, amass that. Bitch, run up the rope, that's a big back. NASDAQ, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack. Ay, fill up the tank, amass. Bitch, run up the rope, back.
Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. You know, you had to do that NAS 100, you know what I'm saying, while marking up that NAS 100. Now let's talk about it, let's talk about it. So, ultimately, are we in an uptrend? Yes. The past 4 days, did the market, shit, peel off a little bit, sell off a little bit? Yeah, it did, okay? People who are holding NASDAQ futures and ETFs and shit like that, are they worried? No. People understand what companies are inside of the NASDAQ. So people are like, oh, well, we already know, you know, you got Microsoft, Apple, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So you need to go look at what's inside of the Amazon, you know what I'm saying? And who the heavyweight giants are. And well, find out when these companies might be dropping their earnings. Just saying. So what's, like I said, it's looking like a great outlook. Okay. I know right now it's kind of peeling back red, but all this candle right here that we're on, you're probably like, oh man, what does that mean? Well, I'll show you something. All right, so you should know what support and resistance means. You should know what SNR is. There's a million videos on it. Trading is simple. So if you're in trend with the market, then you're gonna eat. You know what I'm saying? And that's just what it is. All right, so you know the story of this candlestick. Yeah, it's red, but because it has a tail, that just means that motherfucker pushed up and then pushed down. You know what I'm saying? And then really it closed bearish. Okay, so it could count as a spinning top, but then almost shit, if we get one more day and then it's a bullish candlestick for the day, then this turns into a morning star and then it's a for sure go. You know what I mean? So shit, it's just looking like it's already bouncing off that area. I know the trend lines doesn't work. At a moving average, I need to see a moving average on there. If I don't have an indicator in the damn chart, he can't trade. He can't trade. Come on. But yeah, so you're like, well, trading is really just completing the puzzle at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? So once you figure out, you know, that, you know, completing a pattern, completing a puzzle is like a big ass puzzle game. What comes next? If this, then what comes next? If that, then what comes next? And that's Forex. You know what I'm saying? That's trading. Day trading, at least. Long term, shit, long term, you might want to be up on there. You know what I mean? You might want to be up there and make it get cracking. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Let me go ahead and post this shit on the what's this shit called? On the I'm on YouTube, but I'm posting on Insta real quick. Hey yo, tap in. It's lit. You know what I'm saying? Come to YouTube right now. Click the link in the bio. Click the link in the bio. We going up right now. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you tap in. This is where it's at on Sundays. What's good? You know what I'm saying? So I gotta let them niggas tap in. They know how to click the link in the bio and shit. You know what I mean? I don't gotta tell them how to do all the extras and stuff like that. But like I said, while we get it cracking and just speak more about the NASDAQ, yes, we still are bullish. If we break through that low trend line, meaning if we break through the price area, if we break through that support, then could price keep falling? Yes. Do you have other people trading the NASDAQ outside of, you know, the Forex traders? Yes. You know what I mean? So will the price of the NASDAQ continue to slip or get worse? Well, you don't really know. That's why you're looking at price hold right there. But if you look at this candlestick, you know what I'm saying? Let's go a little bit closer. We're in a daily.
What chart are we on, Ty? What chart are we on, Ty? I need to know the chart, Ty.
It did kind of bounce out of this area and it come up and then it just turned bullish again just to kind of sit. But really that's just to piss y'all off. So you really don't know how to read it. But the next candlestick could be a greenish candlestick, a bullish candlestick. And then, I mean, shit, if you missed the whole wave because you couldn't read it, then cool. You know, if it drops, then fuck it. You know, you just got to trade what you see. But that's what I see right now. And you'll be like, well, wouldn't these be 3 black crows? But then no, just because that's a doji right there. Small little spinning top, and there's not a full 3. So we got 1, 2, but then it's just spinning right there. You know what I mean? So I'm looking at it just bouncing off this little point right here. If you know how to trade, you kind of know how the greens and the reds work. You know what I mean? So let's get it. Let's get it. You know what I'm saying? I'm giving y'all that exclusive game right now. So get cracking with me, you feel me? If you're really trying to trade and turn up, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you share this stream too. Share the stream, whatever you do, share the stream, show niggas some love, baby. Show me some love, baby. Go ahead and shit, man. Look at my playlist, man. Go run my music up, you feel me? But I definitely feel like shit, NASDAQ, it has been selling off the past few days, but will the trend continue of the northern push? Yes, I feel like the push should continue. We should continue rising throughout the year. I know, you know, although I do want you to know that we do have that second wave of possible corona scare, meaning that it could get worse. So, and if in case that does, I really feel like the NASDAQ gonna go crazy, and not to the downside, but to the upside, just because, you know, you're gonna need more tests, you're gonna need more. It's a lot of other stuff. The technology companies have to produce more because now people are really at home. You got the school year coming up where people are gonna need a hell of a lot more computers and hardware and shit. So I feel like the tech sector is gonna perform well. You know what I mean? So let's get it. You said smoking on that gas pack. You know it, baby. You know it, baby. All right, let's get it. We're gonna get on that. Forex moving like NASCAR. Forex moving like NASCAR. You know what I'm saying? I really want you to listen to the words though. And then as we do that, I'm about to go over to that SPX 500, and then I'm gonna go to that what's that next? US 30. Let's run it. Just start up the music, then we're gonna go to SPX 500. Now I'll go to smaller time frames if you really want to see the smaller time frames. You see the 4 hour. Oh look, it's painting green. Okay, see the 3 hour. Okay, a little bit of red. All right, 2 hour. Shit, dojiing out. So we got a lot of green and red. So it's a really indecisive area right now. So now people are just trying to figure out what they want to do. Do they want to keep the price pushing forward? Are we going to drop a little bit, you know? So, but if you look at it on the daily and you know how to read and you know how to trade, like if you were to receive a newspaper and this was in a newspaper, you would just see this on the uptrend and you'd be like, damn, the NASDAQ is rising. You know, okay, yeah, you lost a little bit of gains. Okay. Chat wild. I'm just reading the comments right now. People are like, don't start. They in the chat going wild.
Forex moving like NASCAR. Forex moving like NASCAR. We got the bitches and the money, and you know we got the fast cars. Yeah, you know we got the fast cars. Big bank take little bank, nigga, and we pass stars. Yeah, we big like the stock cards. Yeah, we big like the Walters, and we big like the Rothschilds. Wrong move, get knocked out. Stock prices going up, there's a stockpile.
Spent $1 million on some new stock. Money on my schedule like.
Watch the way I rip in my wrist lock. I eat and take meals, I'm a big sharp. Fuck you hauling for, I'm about to cash out. Money on my mind, I'm a cash cow. Forex bust down and I bust down. Life like the town, I don't walk loud. Keep the toolie on me in the underground. Ghosts popping up, catch you in the underground. Pull a lever in it, flood and make the profit drown. Talking big money, nigga, you don't hear the sound. Hey, now they on my wave. Everybody around me trying to trade. Hey, that's straight. Fuck it, everybody around me getting paid. Forex moving like NASCAR. Forex moving like NASCAR. We got the bitches and the money, and you know we got the fast cars. Yeah, you know we got the fast cars. Big bank take little bank, nigga, and we pass stars. Yeah, we big like the stock cards. Yeah, we big like the Walters, and we big like the Rothschilds. Wrong move, get knocked out. Stock prices going up, it's a stockpile. About to drop the top on a coaster.
Okay, let's get it. Yo, so SPX 500. So first few days of the week, right? Market was bullish. Okay, go ahead, highlight that area. Oh, that's those 3 candlesticks right there. All right. 1, 2, 3. All right. Last 2 days, a little bit red. Okay. For like the last 2 days, we're just really getting ready for that cycle. If we keep pulling back and dropping, then shit is just gonna what it's gonna have to be. People sell off a little bit, call it what it is. You feel me? But I feel like it's already pretty much in that area. Like it already kind of hit that little retest. They got one more. If you want to throw the fib on there, like, oh man, let's see. You know, that shit on there. Where the fuck is that budget? There it is. No, it's not there. It's right here. That's if it's down. The 50 would be right here, so like 31.42. So that sits right on top of here. So that's a possibility too. That's if it keeps dropping, if it keeps giving us that trouble. You feel me? But I feel like shit, SPX gonna gain over time. All right, go ahead and see where that support is at. If it continues breaking, then we already know the next point. All right, which is like right here. So I'll erase this. So that's if it keeps pushing to the downside. So if we get a thunderous push, it's like, all right, fuck it, boom. Then this should just be your buy zone again, boom. Feel me? Then you should just keep going. SPX should be able to gain throughout the year. Let's look at it on the weekly. All right, shit. Past 3 weeks, you had 3 good weeks. Okay, 3 good weeks of gain, 3 good weeks of positive net. All right, a little bit of pullback, and really wasn't even a lot of pullback. If you look at it, you didn't even really lose any bread or lose any steam. Like really 1 good week, look, 2 good weeks, 3 good weeks, and then that last week was just kind of like, eh. You feel me? So it's really, this was the story of that last week right here. Where the fuck is my? There it is. So all price did was push up, right? Push up and then push back down and just been sitting in this little area. So that's the candlestick you have, but you already had 3 weeks of gain, and then it shot up and just shot back down kind of for retest. So I mean, really, if it continues to gain like it's been doing for the past 3 weeks, that's still shit. That's still three white crows, you know what I'm saying? I mean, 3 white crows. Well, 3 white crows, 3 white soldiers. I mean, you feel me? Said 3 white crows, my dumb ass. You feel me? Hey, really, that's shit. That's what it is when you be smoking that herb. You know what I'm saying? I always be mispronunciating shit, but it is what it is. Yeah, let's get it though. Turn that shit up. Publish my charts on TradingView. All right, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it cracking. No cap. I'm gonna start publishing that shit. Somebody was telling me how or some shit. Let me see. Everyone sharing, save now. Yeah, sharing. Everyone with a link can view and copy. And then where the fuck is the link at? I just do the first link. Okay, then I gotta go over to my YouTube. Share that shit. Hey, my thumbnail sick though, no cap. I know you like it. I know you like it. Make sure you smash that like button too. Why y'all not smashing the like button though? Man, it's like a K on here, man. Y'all need to smash that like button, baby. Smash that like button. Go ahead, you see that like button right there? If you see the like button and you're breathing, smash that shit. Let's get it. I just sent y'all the chart joint though. All right, so that's what it is right there. Boom. So as you reset, oh man, let me go ahead and go back to this. Boom, SPX. So then also you're like, okay, boom, pull back, bang, push. So could we get a pullback or possible? Yeah, it's a possibility. It's a possibility. Boom, but it's kind of already in that area, and it looked like the pullback was last week. So our next point should be like 34. So we should be on track for like 3,400. So where's that? Like the 3rd of August. So I mean, going into like August, you know what I mean? So we should be, boom, you should start looking at your monthlies. So let's look at a monthly. So this is the weekly. Let's look at our month. So that's what you're looking at for the month. So in a sense, you had 4 good months of gain. All right, so 4 good months of gain. All right, our reversal was down here. The market was crashing, remember it was, but we've had 4 positive months of gain. In a sense, we getting in that retest area. Our price kind of already tapped in that retest area already. So our retest a little big. That's what you seen last week. And now I feel like shit, just looking at the monthly chart, like the economy should keep performing well. Like this is when the index started way back here, and now look, shit, where do we have to go from, but up from here? If you look at it long term. So now we talking long term. You know what I mean? So.
Yeah, but what about Corona?
Well, go look at the companies, man. Go look at these companies. Go look at these companies. You know what I mean? And that's what's gonna get you straight. You know what I'm saying? Like, just go look at these companies, man. Go look at the companies in the SPX5. Like, all of this shit is right here to tell you what to do. I don't know why you don't do it. You know what I mean? So, really up to you. Some of y'all pick this shit up. Some of you don't. You know? Somebody said, bro, on the incognito tab. Y'all funny. Share the stream. Make sure you smash that like button. What's up? All right. So that's the SPX. All right. So now to that US30. All right. We did GU. We'll go to EU. All right, but let's get on that US30. Then we go back to EU. And then I'll let you guys call out your favorite pair as well. So if you do want me to review a pair, go ahead and smash that like button first. Create a playlist with all Tillionaire songs in it. Second, you know what I mean? And then third, go ahead and comment your favorite pair in the chat. My guy, Wicks don't lie. What's up with you, G? Roger on here. What's up, man? Yo, they said I should get on one of your joints again, bro. One of the lives again. They've been waiting for us to collab again. No lie. You feel me? But let's look at this this US30. I'm gonna tell you about this US30 though. She been a real ugly. I don't want to call her a B word, but she been a real ugly bitch. All right. So I mean, you know the story though. We had what, like 3 weeks of game with her too. Let's check her out. 3 weeks of game right here. Shit, 3 great weeks. Kind of got in that area of retest. And then, I mean, you pretty much know what the retest is. You already know once you get to that high price, that's just what it just comes. Like, why does it come? Who knows? But this is how the market is, and this is just the game we play. So we just play the game. You know what I mean? Let's get it. Oh, Wiggs in here going hard. What's up? I fuck with bro. Hey, you gotta tap in with me, bro, so I can shoot you a Forex hoodie. You feel me? You gotta tap in with me so I can shoot you a Forex hoodie though. He said, Great British Pound. I got you. Let me finish this and then we're gonna do GU. I mean, not GU. We're gonna do GJ after this. All right. So let's get it. All right. So boom. You're like, damn, why does it look like the US30 is pulling back? Why do we look like we had a bearish week? Well, you had to look at it like you had fucking 3 green weeks. You had 3 bullish weeks. Like there was gonna be some exhaustion there. There was gonna be some point of exhaustion. Price got to that exhaustion 2 times and pulled back. That's what you look like. So if you pretty much know your candlesticks, you can go in and you can just read it. I mean, you can read it for yourself. That's why the candlestick wicks look exhausted. So you have a long wick, like price bounced off the top and just dropped. You know what I mean? So what I feel like next week is gonna go, well, it's a possibility that we could probably lose like 100, 200 points before we start gaining again, just because price is so high, you know? And then just get back on track with what shit price is supposed to be doing, what the market's supposed to be doing. If you look at the month, that's our month. So we should close out at a green month, okay, leading us into August. And August, shit, we should get another burst up because, you know, in the beginning of the month, everybody's happy and shit and start pulling and, you know, or that second wave of Corona is gonna come through and people are gonna be like, oh man, the stimulus, and you know how that shit's gonna go. But even with the stimmies going out, I feel like they're able to, you know, pump and dump the economy to however they want. So you're like, long term, where I feel like us 30's going, and then I'm gonna go get on GJ for you. 28 and beyond. Right now it's at 26. It got close to 27. No, it actually did 27. My bad. Got close to 27,642. So it almost got close to 28, but 28 and beyond. All right. So let's go to GJ. The fuck is GPG? JPY. Let's get it. All right. So you see, I still had an arrow pointed up from like, I guess the last time we marked that joint up. I don't even know when that was. All right. Oh, so I guess since June 30th or some shit. Easy call. So I mean, you already know the patterns, man. You already know the how the market goes. Uptrend is simply boom. Oh shit, why is that shit so ugly? Boom, there we go. It's like my lines is high. You know what I'm saying? That's an uptrend. A downtrend is. So is the market fucking going up or down? You feel me? Right now, what are we at? Literally at that little pullback. It already pretty much smacked that area. You're like, what's that area, Ty? Already smacked that area. That's why the candlestick wicks looks like almost a shooting star. Yeah, it looks a little bit bearish, but if you know the price action, this is your candlestick, and this is what the story of this particular candlestick was. And this is looking at the daily. So we had 3 good days up, 1, 2, 3, and then price dropped down into this area. And then on the final day, what happened? Price pushed back up right here, right? And now it's just pretty much sitting there. So could it continue on this leg and keep going until we get to 138? Strong possibility. If you're looking at the weekly, you're probably like, damn, man, shit, weekly still looking green. Okay, healthy green week. All right, that's our weekly, so we should keep pushing up to that. The first point was like 138 and I was underneath here, and then the second point is like 138. What is this? 138.9. So I guess give us like 2-3 weeks, we should be at this 138 area, 138.9, 138.6, just sitting around that range. So that's like what, shit, 300 pips you'll be able to grab off of GJ, you know, in the next coming weeks. So really, you need to set up, try to find yourself a position, and just write this shit out, man. You got a few weeks, you know, get it cracking and get that trade going. So let's get it popping. You said that pair moves too fast. Your lines are high. I'm gonna look at the comments over here because it'd be much easier to look at them on a YouTube rather than on the other shit. There we go. Now I can see my comments much faster. Okay. There we go. All right, so that's GJ. All right. So, boom, let's go to EU. All right. That young Euro USD. Y'all fuck with that young EU. I mean, that's the weekly on Euro USD. So you can't be like, oh man, the whole market's gonna flip and reverse. And I mean, bro, like, no cap though. That's the weekly on EU. You know what I mean? So that's just what it is. So we get to that 17. We pretty much on the way to 17. And if the week keep going, we should be on the way to 124. All right, now I'm talking long term. I'm talking long term. If you're gonna be in the lane, I don't know how long y'all gonna be in the game. If you even gonna be in the game to see that 124, you know what I'm saying? Because I know y'all be gambling and shit. You know what I'm saying? So shit. But if you are, you know, patient, then we'll be able to see it. I feel like the market will, as it continues to just keep pushing and pushing and pushing, then we will be able to get a chance to keep moving to the highs. You know what I'm saying? Keep moving, keep pushing, and keep having a great time. Everybody's on this bullish run right now. Could we get some pullback? Yeah, you can get some pullback, but I mean, you're looking at 3 great weeks right now. You know what I'm saying? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 great weeks to just push. So could we see some pullback? Possibly. We have to go to the monthly to see when that is. All right. It look like we're gonna get a little bit close once we get into that like 117.1, you know what I'm saying? So right now we're at 116.5, so about 117.1 you should see a little bit of pullback. But I mean, look at your flow right now, you know what I mean? Shit, look like price is just gonna keep pushing. The trend at first on the monthly was down, it was down, and then price broke out of that trend. So now what's the trend? You feel me? We got a brand new trend, and then that new trend is looking like boom, you feel me? And where's the top of this? Look like it's about right here. So that's where we on the way to now. So we already then completed this part, just like chutes and ladders. You know, we already completed this part, boom. And now we going here, All right. So the long term, we should be able to get it cracking, and let's get it popping. All right. So I did GJ for you, Wicks. All right. Say no mas. I definitely feel like long term we about to get cracking. You said gold's monthly candle is closing this coming Friday. Yes indeed. Euro USD still going up. Yeah, it's still going up. You said trade gain Ace Gulag, easy call. And you was going up. Yeah, the whole market should be following. You know what I'm saying? The whole market should be following. Now you're like, oh, why are you looking at it on the monthly? So now I already got my monthly markup. Now you're like, well, are you gonna change it? No, I'm not. I literally just leave it. Oh shit. I'm drawn on the screen. That's them high lines. All right, now we on this weekly, and that's our weekly swing. Okay, now you're like, oh man, you got lines in the way. Or I just follow the path that it's already on. Look at my daily just moving beautifully. You know what I mean? So yeah, I could delete that, boom, because that's all the monthly lines. But just looking at nothing, you can kind of see the market just moving beautifully. You know what I mean? So let's get it. UCAD is going down. Yeah, UCAD is going down. Let's get it. The trend is your friend. You said the trend is your friend. Let's get it. Hopefully you guys were able to get positions, you know, shit, when the market was down, it definitely presented the opportunity, you know. Some people did, some people didn't, like, you know, but hey, look, you still got a whole 6 months to get cracking. All right, so this was some old shit that we were talking about or whatever. So boom, looking at this on a monthly, we already reversed a few months ago. And which we did. If you go look at the NASDAQ, if you go look at US30, if you go look at shit, anything that has to do with the US dollar or anything like that, you'll see that, yeah, market did pull back a few months ago, and it did drop because that was that whole Corona shit. And then it was just boom, and it did drop. And then we got that positive news. We've been getting I mean, we've been, you know, companies have been performing great. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it popping like that. Companies have been performing great, and the market has been following. Okay. Let's get straight to it though. Check out that weekly. What are we looking at on the weekly? It looks just like Euro USD, except the gains aren't as crazy as Euro USD. But I mean, let some Aussie news hit. Got to go look at some Aussie banking for some shit. Go look at some whatever has to do with Aussie and that'll positively impact this. And you'll probably see. Let's look at my FX book. This little calendar. See if we got some Aussie news coming. It's New Zealand, Switzerland, New Zealand, Germany. Don't really have no Aussie news coming unless I don't have AUD on here. Maybe it's just no high impact Aussie news on the way. You know what I mean? Let me go to custom. Nah, for sure got Aussie on here for sure. Shit, I don't know. Maybe it's no Aussie news coming. You feel me? So maybe that's why it's extra slow, but I still feel like we are gonna get that gain. That's 4 hour. Market look like it's at the pullback right now. So what price do when it opens up? Either it's gonna gap up and just keep pushing up, or we're gonna get that Sunday pullback where market just pulls back a little bit and then boom, straight into the direction of the week like it's supposed to be going, and we should still be in the week, you know, just getting cracking. You know, make sure you guys smash that like button too. Let's get it popping. And then let's get over to flip that shit, run that shit back. It's crazy. We already did US 30, huh? Nah, did we do US 30 already? Let me know in the comments. I think we did, huh? USD Mexican next. I'm gonna do I'll do UCAD next. I'll do UCAD next for y'all. And mind you, these are weekly. That's why I'm on a higher time frames. But see, if you could just cut out the noise and kind of get in trend with the marketplace during the week, then you should be able to eat. You know what I mean? We already did AU. He said big tie on that markup. Was good. Oh, somebody texted me. For sure. Y'all niggas going hard out here. Y'all going hard out here. Appreciate y'all, man. Y'all really going hard. Y'all be showing love. Shout out to everybody who on the stream right now. Hey, man, give a hand clap to yourself. That's why you should like the stream, man. You're not liking the stream for me. You liking the stream for you. You know what I'm saying? Give a hand clap to yourself, man, for really bearing with me on these Sundays. Y'all know I got that crazy personality, but I really appreciate you guys popping up on here, man, and, you know, just showing love. I love to, you know, show love to the community and shit. Let's get it cracking. All right, we're going to go to UCAD right now. Did I already do UCAD? I don't know. I'll do it for you again if I didn't. All right. Well, that's still marked up. Okay, so I mean, I don't think this shit changed from last week. All right, should still be in this downtrend. That's the trend it's in. All I'm gonna do is just really, like, you see how I just come into my charts. I'm really about to just extend this out a little bit more, give me some more room and some more game to play. Okay, cool. And that's my markup. What's the market doing? It's in a downtrend right now. That's what it's doing. Just like USD Swiss franc, you feel me? What is that doing? It's just crashing a little bit more than UC. But do those pairs correlate? They do. UC, this UC isn't moving as fast as that Swiss franc was moving and dropping to that downside. But starting the week, yeah, you should get a little bit of pullback. You should already know this already though. And then what? You just trade with the trend and get rich. What's the trend right now? You feel me? Do you really feel me though? He said, bro, off that Woo Banger pack. Yes, sir. You feel me? Let's get it though. Life could be different. I'm gonna play that life could be different too. I'm gonna play that life could be different. Let's get it. And then as I play that, I'm gonna move over to I'll do Australian dollar Jap. Fuck it.
Yo, life could be different, you dig? Like, a lot of people wake up every single morning, shit, do the same thing every single day and expect different results, you know what I'm saying? And that's the definition of insanity. It's crazy. Life can be different. Fuck all that wishing, go get on your grind. People be talking, but fuck what they say. Better stay on your hustle, little nigga, to shine. Niggas be hating. Hey, oh yeah, that mean go hard every day while they rhyme. Get on your goals. Life could be different. Fuck all that wishing. Niggas got wish lists, please, bitch. Straight to the chauffeur, got places to be. Studs on my feet. That's money on steps every time that I speak. That's money in packs every day of the week. Forex on face so incredible ways. Bitch, fuck all that trap and a trade, bitch. You on a block and a blade, bitch. I make my money do the same shit. Pimping markets every Monday through
through fighting. Hop in the whip, drop the top and right violent. Lane to lane when I whip, I be wider. Get the fuck out of my way, bitch. You wanna get higher train, bitch. Niggas be slaving. I mean, do what you do for that minimum wage, bitch. Put the money up and it's straight to the bank. Now it's straight to the bank and I'm loving my life and it's straight to the charts while I'm fucking my wife and I'm straight off a flight. But we posted in 5. Can't follow my moves, not moving online. Can't follow my jewels, I drop jewels in my line. But if jewels on the line, call a jeweler surprise. Got deals with my woes, we needed supply. If we talking supply, then the stocks on the rise in the game. She naked a lot. Niggas be having that shit on they charts, but I like my bitch naked with dog on her thighs. That's a visitor package where everything slide. Straight up the lot with the locks on the side. And it still fuck the ops on wild like the lion. And still fuck the ops on wild like I'm Tyson. Please don't touch me, I'm hot like a wire. It dropped on the pulls on fires, but please stay back. We stay with the iron, we asking for peace, but I'm reckless and tired. I'm snatching off.
Hey, you already know how we get cracking right now. You already know how we get cracking right now, man. Spam the chat with them middle fingers, cause fuck the haters. Let's keep getting it cracking. Let's keep making this bread. Y'all turn up for the one time, man. Hey, put all that bullshit aside and make that dough. Let's get it.
Talking but fuck what they say, better stay on your hustle, little nigga to shine. Niggas be hating, hell yeah, that mean go hard every day while they whine. Get on your goals, life could be different. Fuck all that wish list, niggas got wish list, please, bitch. Straight to the chauffeur, got place to be. Stones on my feet, that's money on steps every time that I speak. That's money impacts every day of the week. Forex on face on incredible ways, bitch. Run the money up, better trader gon' bust you. You know I got plays, bitch. Time to double up, time to double up.
Let's get it. 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 I'm gonna play that money on waves next, but let's talk about this. So the top line, all right. Now, was it needed in this? It not necessarily, but I put it just so I could be able to explain this joint, you know what I'm saying? So ultimately, price is on the uptrend. So if I delete this, all you see is this. All this red is price banking against that support, getting ready to pretty much form that morning star and continue bullish. Okay, if you guys don't know what a bullish pattern is or how market trade, you need to go watch Understanding Japanese Candlesticks or reading. You got to go read your books, and it's a lot of information out there to understand what a trend is. But we've been trending north, we've been trending bullish since shit. Right here, you got a great monthly one for the past 2 months. You had some 2 good months, you know what I'm saying? But really, shit, you've been trending bullish since what is that? Since March. And then you had a little bit of pullback. Okay, cool. And then boom, back on a bull trend. And then you had a little bit of pullback these past these past 2 days. And then what? We should continue on that bullish trend. If it breaks through, then fuck it. We got to change our bias like we had to change our bias on Euro USD. When you looked at that on the weekly, at first it was in that weekly bearish channel, and then it broke out of that channel, and then it turned to the upside. And now it's in a what? Bullish channel. You know what I'm saying? So same thing. Ain't a damn thing changed. Let's get it. Man, y'all on here deep though. Sup, nigga? Sound off though. Fuck with y'all. I really rock with y'all. You know what I'm saying? I rock with y'all. You said, what did I say about gold? Is it still pushing past 1900? I feel like we're gonna get a little bit of resistance. Price is high. I do feel like shit that investors will start selling off just to cash in and make a little bit of cash. You know what I'm saying? Go with a price like that, shit, your value of your gold went up. You know what I mean? So that's before people start drilling in it and adding stones and all of that. But I mean, you don't want to talk about the jury talk. You know what I'm saying? That's a whole nother conversation. But yeah, man, so the value, man, it's all about the values, knowing your long-term values, knowing you're having a long-term strategy, and ultimately just being able to get cracking. What time frame do I trade on? Well, I usually enter in the 5 minute and shit, man. I try to enter the 5 to 15. I get a great little look at what's going on. Matter of fact, I should be dropping that US 30 video today, so you might be getting another notification later on today. I already recorded the audio, I recorded the video and stuff like that. I finished all the slides and stuff, so I should be dropping that a little bit soon. But definitely we gonna be on some long-term shit. So if you guys rock with me, you know what I'm saying, and you really rock with me, man, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let's get it cracking on this long-term shit, you know what I mean? For sure. All right, so we already did that life could be different, but now let's talk Forex lifestyle. Let's get on that Forex lifestyle, you feel me? But call out your next trade, your next pair, and let's get it cracking like that. You said NZD, JPY, I'll get on that. I'm a Gemini, that's my sign.
If my man was...
All right, so let me go ahead and get on that NZD. Let's get it. You said, hold on, at the start, you was gonna show us some tips about US 30. I'm about to drop a whole video about US 30, bro. I've been talking about this US 30 shit for a minute, just because marketing, I know how to build it up, but for sure, like I got it, it's for you. You're gonna be green. You know what I mean? I really, like I said, before I be giving my shit out, I go use it. You know what I'm saying? So a lot of people, they make $2 and then it's like, oh, but it's like, nah, like we good, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna bless the community, and like I said, the only thing I wanted for you guys to make playlists. All right, this is how to do it. Make the playlist, put my song inside the playlist, you can go to YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Put my song inside the playlist and stuff like that, and just spin that shit. Just run up the streams. I should be waking up every day to 1,000+ streams, because it's more than 1,000 of y'all who follow me. So if everybody just stream it twice a day, if 2,000 people stream my songs 2 times a day, that's 4,000 streams. You know what I'm saying? So the math is there. Let's really see how strong the audience is, and it's going to reflect in the numbers. So every Sunday we should be growing, and then shit, every week we should be seeing the streams go up. All right, so I'm about to go over to that. Somebody called out a pair. Let me see what pair you asked me to look at. GBP AUD. Damn. Okay, I don't think I've ever looked at that. I'm not fucking with you. I'm gonna go get cracking with it right now, just because I know y'all like them exotics. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all like them exotics, so I got them exotics for you. There we go. All right. That motherfucker look like it's still gonna trend down. Yeah, it looks like it's still gonna trend down. It's still in that down channel, unless we break out of this channel. If we break out the channel to the upside, like if we break out like in this area, probably retest and keep going. But the market gonna have to show you that though. It's gonna have to show you that. Right now it looks like it's just in these areas of resistance, and once it gets in that resistance, as you can see, you do see an exhausted green candle. You feel me? And if I go in, you probably gonna see some red on it, you know what I mean? But you do see an exhausted green candle. Usually in these areas, it's just gonna keep sliding, feel me, and just keep banking until the whole trend changes. And then whenever that bitch break out, that's when the trend will change, and then you have to change your bias and be like, oh, it's going the other way. But until that point, you need to just trade with the trend and get rich. Feel me? And this was on the daily, so I didn't even go into smaller time frames. Like really, because you needed to be looking at it long term anyway. You feel me? I'll look at bullish for you. I'll look at bullish. I'll look at silver for you right now. Let's get it. You said it was a fire long last week. Yeah, it really was. It was definitely a great week last week. You know, it was definitely a great week last week. What you guys need to do, no cap, what you need to do is go ahead and smash that like button. That's the first thing you need to do. Show some love, smash that like button. And I mean, code, trading in, I mean, code. Yeah, see, y'all went up for me. I be rocking with that, man. I really rock with that. I rock with the people who come and show love. You feel me? You show love, I show love back. That's life, you know what I mean? So y'all know the songs too. It's so dope. You guys know the songs, man. Like, that's dope. I really rock with that. It's like, dang, they really know the songs. Like,
broker looking ugly. Hey, my grandma always told me I should always keep a snubby. Never ever keep your money where they think you keep the money. 10 trades at the same damn time. Fuck the rubbish, bitch. I'm back pursuing that. #1, and that's a fact. Keep the banking system flowing, move to digital exactly. Fortunes to flow, but not a wave like a jack. Beanstalk, Google Trends, sit 100 SEO on pop. Drastic changing worldly thoughts. I mean, no more that people think. On the brinks of something big, I fuck the world on the sink. But life will give you lemons if you fuck her and you squeeze. Now it's back to hitting licks like we jumping off the porch. But we really in this stocks, that's why it's trade or die for short. Trade gang got it poppin', lead the broker at the door. Clean them out and drop the systematic pressure off these forces. Leave the engines on smash block, loud for on the horses. Aye, do you think you belong? Either battles or the bulls. If you see it and trade it, or you don't and you lose. I can do this shit in my sleep, so that's more money you see. Living life on the wave, I'm just young in the pay. Keep the markets pumping, market make it jump when I say. Gotta flow like heavenly made. I got the heavenly blade, turn to gold like the mills running back in the day. During the rush and it's the gold race, better get you a plate. Take chances, living life for the edge of mystery flame. Hey, look, I got the game inside a headlock. Got it locked in the history bedrocked. If the world asks me to eat,
she better dig, Jack.
Taste the riches of success.
Intermittent drop.
Don't abuse my line, just contain files. I mean Ethereum nice, but it's volatile. Little obstacles and go ahead and ask the price. If you asking for the price, you probably not advised.
Hey, this is my favorite part. Hey, let's go, Trey Gang. I know you know this shit. Let's go. Okay. Moving faster than the Lambo. Oh yeah. Nah.
You ain't know what I'm on. You ain't know what I'm on.
Nah.
You ain't know what I'm on. You ain't know what I'm on. Nah. You ain't know what I'm on. You ain't know what I'm on. Nah. You ain't know what I'm on. You ain't know what I'm on.
Let's get it though. Let's get it. All right, let's get it. So oil, looking at oil, we've already looked at US CAD, and you've looked at that and you were like, oh man, well, the market is dropping. So in a sense, US CAD is oil's inverse. So when you see US CAD going down and then you look at oil is usually going up. Okay, so that's a good way to trade it. Not all the time is the inverse correct, just like not all the time that when price of gold goes up that the market goes down. You know what I mean? So it's interesting. Sometimes shit, the market doesn't follow the rules, and sometimes it does. So wait for your entries for maximum money and maximum security. We talked about this on the last stream. That's probably why it's still up here. You know what I mean? And make sure you smash that like button, because we got hella people on here. So we definitely should have those likes up. Feel me? He said, damn, you thought I was about to get up and hit the Forex. Hey, what happened? Y'all supposed to get up and hit the Forex. You feel me? Let me see y'all videos. What's up? What's good? But nah, so look, all these little areas that I personally have marked up is just buying areas. You know what I mean? Super simple, is just buying areas that if you aren't already in, then you get a chance to get in. So right now it's looking like, okay, yeah, somebody just turned 18, it was your birthday, and now it's getting back cracking. You like,
Oh man, I've been trying to get inside of oil, but I can't get inside of oil yet, man. I'm looking for an opportunity, man. Price is sitting at a doja right now. The market looking indecisive.
and yeah, it is looking indecisive. You know, a lot of people, that's what a doji is, that people are indecisive. You know, they don't know what's about to happen, so they're really just looking at an outlook. But also it's in that area too, so you need to look at where the doji is at. So it's not just about it's and the doji is just price. It's trying to give you a direction of where price is going, so you're able to follow the market. But once you're able to understand the trend and where the trends are moving, like, it's simple. At the end of the day, you just follow along with what you see. You trade what you see. Oh, it's a bullish market. You need to be looking to fucking buy in a bullish market. Simple investing. You know what I'm saying? Like, man, you know what it is, but you know, shit. That's what it is. So why am I looking at it on a higher time frame? Because you need to pay attention to the market on a higher time frame, so you can see what's going on throughout the week, so you can see what's going on throughout the month, so you can get the bias that the banks have. Everybody wants to trade with the banks. Okay, trade with the banks then. Trade with the money then. Come on now. Okay, you got some people who wake up every morning and go to work for your money, right? Well, not your money, but for their money, right? And then you got other people, the banks, right? The people who own the banks, operate the banks, trading like the banks, right? They wake up and they go to golf courses, wake up and go to yachts, wake up and go to fucking islands and shit. You know what I'm saying? 30 miles off the coast away from everybody, a big 50,000 square foot mansion sitting on it with an airplane, tarmac, and a helicopter. You know what I'm saying? Private island. So you want to trade like the banks. The thing is, they're watching the money, but not watching the money, but watching the money. You know what I mean? So it's like they there, but are they really there? You know what I mean? So you just got to look at it like that. Let's get it. You said, Jay? Yeah, bro. Hey, bro, one of the reasons I got in the Discord too, bro's like, hey, bro, go hop in the Discord, man. It's lit. Like, let me tell you guys about the Discord too. I'm gonna go ahead and shout the Discord out so you can't follow that. A lot of people are like, oh man, you have a group or something. And you know, we don't have no drama in there. You know, it's really fun, a really dope environment. You go in, it's live trading all throughout the week. People really get cracking all throughout the week, so you can really go in there and just watch people get cracking. It's popping in there. Feel me? So it's a lot of information. Shit. anything you're really looking for, you know, if you can't find it on the internet, they got it in the Discord. You know what I mean? So somebody go ahead and spam that link in there when you guys can. Go ahead and spam that Discord link in there, and then also smash that like button too. Smash that like button. I want you to smash that like button. Let's get it. So we already did oil. I feel like oil might continue on a bullish week. If it breaks and I have to change my bias, then okay, I have to change my bias. You know what I mean? But I'm looking at an uptrend right now, ultimately. You know what I mean? Shit, really, it kind of fizzled out. Now it's kind of in the range. Kind of already got it cracking. It's kind of like it's in the range right now. So really, we're just watching this low range. But it's looking like it's just slowly going up. Like it's not a crazy healthy uptrend, but it's like oil is at a nice steady price right now. At a nice steady price. Okay. You said forgot he has. If I call his name, he wouldn't even hear me. That's funny. She on my head. She on my head. But no cap, like nah, that Discord, if y'all really want to be in profit and really see, oh man, do they like, bro, just go in there and if you feel like you popping, stream your fucking screen in there and get cracking and trade live with everybody that's trading live, bro. Get cracking in there. It's like that's the gym. It's the basketball gym. You get in there, it's like pickup games. If you really want to play, go to the gym and get cracking. It's there. You know what I mean? All right, let's see. You said signal sellers be getting the signals from TRADDEEE Discord. That's funny. That's funny. Man, they be doing the most, man. You know, and people, like I said, like at first we was on their necks because it was funny, but it's like shit. We know the lifestyles is fake. We know the shit is boring, so we don't even care. Everything should be like, maybe we just on this long-term game right now. But if it come over here fucking with us, you already know. But other than that, nah, we chill. You know, it's just a great environment, and that's just what it is. Okay. You said be patient this week. Always be patient this week. Always be patient this week. And if you guys got any questions about the market or anything, man, go ahead and ask me that in the chat. I know I went over a lot of pairs today. I covered a lot. I've probably been on here for like an hour or so. You know what I mean? So you like, nah, you're not at an hour yet, because you know I'd be clocking the time. You probably ask why, but really it's, you know, just like the TED Talks. Like shit, time is money for me, and plus shit, after this I want to be able to put out that I want to be able to put out that US 30 strategy. You know what I mean? So let's get it cracking. Okay, USD. Okay, you guys have been asking for USD Mexican. So let me go to that peso right now. That is something you definitely have been asking for. Okay, so that's what you see on the peso. I mean, in a sense, price has been in the range for like the past, since June to July. Hasn't really broke out of this range. All right, but before it even got to here, that shit was bearish. Then it's like it pulled back and then went into this little range. So right now price is kind of like at a steady range, but it's still on that bearish trend ultimately. So if it continues, then the next thing it should do is just drop out of here. If it does drop out of here, all right, hit that 21, pause right there. If it doesn't break through, it'll probably pull back one more time. Okay, and then drop again. And if you guys are probably like, yeah, what's he doing? Go look up Elliott wave. You know what I'm saying? It's, you know, it's different type of ways to look at the market. I mean, that's just another way that people, you know, explain it and try to understand it and stuff like that. You say you just got here. Yeah, I did gold at the beginning of the stream. You feel me? You said silver. Okay, cool. I could do silver too. And then shit, like you said, like, man, it's live trading there all the time. And then shit, even Roger was on here today, man. So even if you want to see live trading, shit, you want more ideas, you can go over there. Wix don't lie, they get the live streaming shit cracking as well. You know what I'm saying? So it's like the information is out here. The information is out here. You just have to apply yourself and stop being afraid to take the fucking shot. I feel like that's the number one problem that people have, and that's pulling the trigger and actually doing what they said they were gonna do. And really, yeah, it's hard. Oh man, I got these big goals, and then it's like, whoa, I have to actually do it. Yeah, you have to actually do it now. You know what I mean? So let's get it. Y'all funny. You said, what's up with the swipe method? We dropping that too. Matter of fact, let me drop another song. We're gonna play that Money on Waves. Let's play that Money on Waves. Or should I play Trade or Die? I think I play Money on Waves. I like Money on Waves because it really is like a wave, bro. Like, that shit got so much game in it. Like, it's funny when you guys is in your rich cars and shit and your rich lifestyles, and like the next 5 to 10 years, you're gonna really remember these moments like, yo, this was crazy. Like, you know what I'm saying? We were really able to grow with this Tyllionaire dude. I remember when he was boom streaming, now he's boom. It's gonna be dope. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's like, it's just to see us all grow, you know what I mean? Cause like, shit, I had plans outside of this as well, you know, and I've been working, doing everything I've always wanted to do, you know. So now it's just like I'm building what I set out to build, and a lot of people were like, what are you building? And we just keep building, you know. Shit, eventually it's gonna be like boom. It's like, yo, that's fucking lit, you know. So let's get it. Already did GJ. I started off the stream with GJ. I mean, not GJ. That one already did SPX 500. Okay, and then for the Discord, so let me see if I can pull up the Discord. All right. Okay, I don't know where I'm at. Okay, so this is my Discord right now. This is admin chat, but basically when you guys get here, it's gonna be this rule thing right here. So when you get to the Discord, it's gonna be rules. So all you have to do is, you see this little reaction thing at the bottom, it's like this little chart right here. You just click the chart. That's all you do, is click the chart, and literally you're in. You just click the chart. Okay, you're like, Ty, how do I get out the Discord? How do I read it? All right, I got you. Who is that? Where Vince at? All right, I got you, Vince. But now you be, how do I read it? And literally it's right here. So you read the rules, and then you just go and react to it. You click that, boom. You see how I just react to that? Boom. You just boom, react to it. You feel me? So just go ahead and react to that, and that's gonna allow you to get in the group. Okay? That's gonna allow you to get in the group. So you react to that, boom, and then you be able to get in. All right. So it's a lot of people in here. Also, just so we can get more stuff, you guys go ahead and server boost it. You feel me? You're like, what's the server boost? It's pretty dope. Like, it just gives us more capabilities so we can keep the Discord cracking. You feel me? So if you are really in the game and really trying to get this Discord shit, like, we give you guys perks and gifts and all type of shit, you know what I mean? So you're able to upload better stuff, streaming better quality and stuff like that. Just because we're here, you know, that's something we do. So the mods put me onto this. Like I said, I didn't make this Discord, but it was like some 16-year-old, 15-year-old kids that helped me put this thing together. They had it already there, and they were using it for Fortnite and stuff. It was like, bro, you got to get on here, and they set everything up and just knew how to do it. So I'm thankful that they was able to just get this thing cracking, and all I had to do is really just direct people here, and you know, and now it's like we got them running it, we got some other people running it, you know what I mean? So I got a lot of people really in here all day long, just making sure this group just stays clean and stuff like that. So you guys got a place for info, you know, you can come here, look at courses. You guys got if you play video games, Fortnite, League of Legends, Modern Warfare, Apex Legends, Valorant, looking for teammates. You see Gabs on Forex right here doing his thing. He's streaming the stream while I'm on stream, you know what I'm saying? So Discord is dope. We got, you know, Jordan right here streaming the stream while I'm on stream too. So appreciate all you guys in the Discord, just, you know, getting it cracking and stuff like that. All right, so let's get back here. All right, so this is where I feel like USD Mexican is gonna keep going, or this the US dollar peso. All right, let's get it cracking. All right, Carl, one more. You said clip that part of the video and make it so the non-readers will stop asking. I will. I got you. He said those reactions goes up in the stream. That's lit. He said this man really called me 16. Well, shit, I don't know how old you are. You feel me? My bad, bro. My bad. I thought that's how young they were. You feel me? But shit. German 30. All right, we're gonna do German 30, and then we're gonna do probably one more, and then we're gonna get up out of here for the day. All right, so, and then I got Rob mixing down another song too. So you like, who's Rob? Rob Legacy. That's really the reason I sound so crisp, man. And I mean, he's like one of the dopest producers and engineers I got to work with, because bro got the engineering aspect on fucking lock. So it's like, man, it's just like you'll hear the quality and the money and waves. So really, like, what's dope is he was like, bro, I'm gonna fuck with you and just be your engineer, bro. Just send me records. So even if people want to work with me and send me shit, like Rob is touching a record still, just he fucking with me on the producing aspect and the engineering aspect. So I wanted to shout bro out too, because he probably like, oh, this nigga Ty, like, nah, bro, for real, you feel me? Bro been taking care of that shit on the back end. So he was like, oh man, just teach me the Forex shit and get it cracking, and you know, that's what it's gonna be. So you guys will be seeing results from bro as well, you know what I'm saying? So bro's in a brown community, like I'm in a black community, bro's in a brown community, so it's dope just to, you know, shit, pretty much get those communities intertwined and get cracking, you know what I'm saying? And just see how we could build creativity in the entertainment industry, positively and in the finance world as well. So let's get it popping. Okay, so we're about to go to the German 30. I was like, head ass. All right, so yeah, first 3 days of the week, you had gains 1, 2, 3, and now we had those little pullbacks. So could price keep pulling back, or is it already at that point? And then you have to ask yourself, in a sense, it's kind of already in that area. You feel me? Just because you know how the market move, man. It's just simple. That's an uptrend. Feel me? Simple. That's a downtrend. All right. So that should be what happens next, or we keep bleeding. We'll see. It could be like, okay, Sunday, just because people are anticipating the move, like we're playing the game and the brokers are playing the game too. So just because people are anticipating the move, it could be like, oh, sell off real quick one more time, you feel me, drop to the bottom of here, because that's where a nice little fib is, probably like the 38.2 of the fib or some shit, you know, double check, I don't know, you got to double check, boom, sit right here and then keep going. If it doesn't go that low, then fuck it, it's gonna keep going up and continue the bullish run that it's been on. All right, you like, has it really been on the bullish run? Like, that's basically what it's been on. So if I want to put in a channel like this, you pretty much already know what. Right here, in these type of areas, you sell. Okay. And then what? At the bottom, these areas you buy. All right. And then if we go look at where we're at right now, is that not in the buying area? I'm just saying, like, shit, don't, like, charts don't lie. Is it not in that area where you will buy, even though it's showing you red? Like, you just have to wait for it to show you the opportunity, and then boom. So it could literally still be on that bullish trend like it's on. Once again, boom, clean that up, bang, throw that on top real quick, bang, simple, easy. Okay, let's get it. You said USD ZAR, damn, y'all be on it. Shout me out. You said US Swiss, you need that Rolls Royce energy. You in the Discord. Ty, are you in the Discord? Bro, go into the Discord. The Discord is lit. The Discord is lit. You said y'all spamming how you find a good trade. We about to talk about that in this US 30 video. I've already recorded everything, so I'll be dropping that soon. On how low a lot of you been, oh, when is it dropping it? When is it dropping it? You know, I got you. Don't trip, okay? Don't even trip. So let's do one more pair and then let's get up out of here for today, and then you should be getting another notification as I edit that together and then get it cracking. Get it! Yeah. Trade game shit go tempo. Trade game shit go tenfold. Go run the streams up too. Go run these streams up. Go run these streams up. Right now, this song is at like what, 3,500. If 1,000 of you guys literally go listen to this 2 times, it'll go from 3,500 to 5,000, just like that. Boom. So stop being lazy. Trade game shit on tenfold. Yeah. Big team up, big time.
I trade, yeah, I get it. This'll probably be a song without a hook. You gotta soak every word in like a book. Better yet, said it then. Feel like you on a roof. Ay, money like it's etc. Commas inside the room. And karma never miss, so you better grab a broom. Clean that shit up, or you go through the looms. Go through that shit like it's nothing to lose. Understand life will just give you a mirror that you be projecting. Do everything to protect all your views. Freedom is rare, so do as you choose. But every choice always comes with a noose. Addicted to something, addicted to sorrow. Or skip it today, cause you live for tomorrow. Addicted to money, but stick to my balls. Stick to my lane and I stay on my toes. Trade ain't shit, yeah, I trade with my woes. Thread through the needle, I see through the lows. Still eat the oodles and still in my roots. Walking that way, so be walking the line. This one recouping that feeling inside. Ay, let the profits just turn on the rise. Overflowing, so turn up the fire. Turn up the basement and flow to the vine. Smash the whole ceiling, then open the fire. Songs that change life if you let them, you right. Hear this shit changing your energy, changing your synergy. I know you feeling me, bopping your head cause you feeling the interlink. Link to your conscience, I'm locked to the markets, I'm locked to the targets. I said it, I've done it. Money your line when the bell ring is thunder. Be in the trenches, got scalpers and runners. Talking that shit, but we moving like bundles. Like down on Twitter when I tweet, we lunching. Then buy up the block, sell them, running deposits. We still in withdrawal mode, nigga, we got it. Still been the face in the game, trending topic. Call out the place where got eyes in the tropics. Penance the orders, my nigga. Big money, we hoarding, my nigga. Like poker, this hodl, my nigga. And we stay with the sticks. Figure my risk, keep the trade over tens. Cook up the work and keep trading the 10. Throwing up the life, but just stick to the plan. Games over time, and that's games over years. Don't be playing with fire, don't play with your kids. Don't be playing with life, it is beat overkill. I'm still on my shit, been the dreams since a kid. Make money with family, make music and live life to the fullest, my nigga. Please don't be full of shit, nigga. On the path to success, just put your clothes on the linen. Trade ain't shit. Look, niggas wanna drop go tempo. Ay, trade ain't shit. Ay, look, money on lock, tryna hit for. Ay, trade ain't shit. Big teams poppin', tryna hit go tempo. Ay, trade ain't shit. Money on ways, big bank on spin more.
Let's go, let's go. All right, let's get it, man. Appreciate you guys for tuning in.
Money always trying to get more.
Y'all rock with the vibes, man. I rock with the vibes.
Money always trying to get more. Chain gang shit. Big bang roll, big bang go tenfold.
Appreciate y'all rocking with the songs, man. Appreciate y'all rocking with the vibes and stuff like that. Trade Gang Season 2 on the way. A lot of people been asking what's been going on with the merch. Really, we probably went through like 40 or 50 designs until I finally chose like what designs I really wanted. Like, okay, I'm gonna go with this, and this. You feel me? So I do have a lot of excess designs that will probably spill over into like Season 3. Some really, really dope shit, but Season 2 is on the way. I think I'm gonna put the hoodies back out probably like, I don't know, like a week before I drop season 2, but probably only like 50 to 100. Really do like a little exclusive drop, 50 to 100 for the people who didn't get it. I know it's a lot of people around the world, so just really trying to just boom have those so you guys can get your investments, get them values cracking. You feel me? Because you already know, like what's really cool is like when you keep it, if you wear it, okay, cool. But if you like, nah, I'm gonna say this shit, and then like you might want to say that shit and then try to sell it in like a year. You know what I'm saying? That's really how you flip and get paid off my name. You know what I mean? So it's a way to do it. That's how it's set up. Appreciate once again all you guys for coming through. I need you to run my streams up. You can run it over on Spotify. Hey Ty, where I find your music at? Where I find your music at? You know, you can find it at iHeartMedia. You literally just type in Ty Illionaire. I'm on Apple Music. I'm on Spotify. I'm on everything. You know, so really you just type that in into my joint and get it cracking. So you know, what do I type into Google and how do I type it in? So you type in. You said type in. Boom. Because people got to be told what to do and sometimes showed what to do. So boom, type it in on our platform. You say you got beats for me, send it to me. The music channel name, oh God, I gotta post that in there too. So yeah, you guys, hey, you almost got the subs on the music channel to like 1,000. You feel me? So appreciate that. You almost got the subs on the music channel to like 1,000. So hell yeah, but that's the music channel right there. You feel me? So make sure you guys already looked at GU is bullish this week or should continue bullish. You know what I mean? Or just type in TY too. That's cool too. And then also I got another album on the way too. That's what I've been working on. A lot of people, oh, why haven't you been posting videos? Literally because I've been making hella music. You feel me? So shit, that's just what it is. I'm probably sitting on, I don't know, like 400 beats right now. Like, you know, you like, damn, 400, like no cap. You feel me? Shit, Rob sent me maybe like 2 packs. One had 75 beats in it, the other one had like 35. It was this other dude, Sun Guy, who sent me like 30 beats. Fucking the Real Young Links, bro, sent me like 17 beats. You feel me? So I got it's beats. I've been getting through them joints. So I just smoke, listen to beats. I've been smoking and listening to beats all day long. So that's what's been up with Ty. That's what I've been doing. I've been getting this album together. I want to be able to really drop some stuff and really doing a lot of research, because really before I drop shit, I like to just be on my shit. I like to drop shit in the album where people can be like, okay, you look it up and everything verifies, everything checks out. So let's get it like that. So yeah, man. So that's what it is. But appreciate all the producers who've been sending me beats. Like I said, I'm still accepting beats, even though I got a lot of them. But you know, I'm still listening. I always keep a listening ear, man. I keep my ear to the streets. I always know what's going on, man. You guys, you know, keep it cracking. So appreciate you guys for being here. Hell yeah, I like drill beats. So you know, just come through. And once again, here's my music. Here's my music channel. So you know, you can run it up like that. You see what? But yeah, so